I've been doing a lot of really interesting reading lately about how they say that generalists will be more important, more valuable than specialists in the future. Or as a client of mine put it, he said, we need to be a jack of all trades, but a master of one, which I really like. So we need to have the domain experience, but we also need to be embracing trans-sectoral, cross-sectoral, multidisciplinary thinking. Or as I call it, big T thinking. So what's big T thinking all about? Big T is all about making us T-shaped. So the downstroke of the T is your domain experience, the industry you're currently working in. But the horizontal crossbar is all the other experience and experiences that you have in your personal and professional life. Because it's all about intersections and it's all about collisions. The ability to see or hear or spot something in a very far away domain and bring that into your industry. See if it fits. See if that makes something work better within your industry because you've imported it from a faraway destination. So creativity is an import-export exercise. That's what this is all about. Broadening, broadening, broadening your horizons. If you need big T in your team, in your organization, if you think this might be something of interest to you in terms of cross-sectoral multidisciplinary thinking, head across to hotheads-innovation.com and talk to us about turbocharging your big T thinking.